Thanks for joining us on Valley News Live. I got to tell you, an active period of weather just continues, and the beat goes on with more snow. And our roads just seeming like they get half a chance to recover. And even with today's little bit of flaky snow that we had, oh, it is not looking good. Here's what we're watching now as we head into the next several days. Record cold potential for your Wednesday. First alert weather begins on Thursday and lasts into Friday. And while that system is not going to be particularly big in Fargo and Grand Forks in our region by Friday, we could be talking about some areas getting significant snow and wind and travel concerns. That's why those are first alert weather days. We get a little weekend break for many areas, not all areas, and then another system will work its way in as we head into. Oh, that's what's going on. Okay, yeah, sometimes the microphone falls off. We'll get that fixed. Can you hear me now? There we go. Colorado low next week, and then our 40-degree stretch of weather that's colder than 40 degrees continues. We are also watching the flood risk. Let's talk about the first thing on the list, and that's how low we go tonight. Temperatures are already below zero. We mentioned this earlier if you joined us, but the areas that got the fresh, flaky snow to the tune of 1 to 5 inches, particularly areas that got 5 inches of that flaky, dry, powdery snow, are going to see the best chance at seeing records fall. We showed you the records there in the teens below. I think Fargo stands a better chance likely of seeing their record fall as compared to our neighbors to the north in Grand Forks, but both of us should be in the teens below. Get into the Highway 200 corridor here, the I-94 corridor, and places that did get those loftier snowfall amounts. We're going to see temperatures very close to those records in the teens below. Tomorrow, the wind picks up from the west and then eventually from the southwest. Temperatures warm up to around 20. We'll see some sunshine out there. Roads, because of these winds, particularly in areas that got that fluffy snow, going to see more icy conditions continuing across the area as well. Already, it is 1 below zero, feeling like 13 below out at Hector. Check out this, 6 below already in Grand Forks when we zoom in along Highway 200, Cooperstown, 9 below zero there. So we're well on our way already almost into the teens below. Here's a big storm system on the west coast. This one's going to spit a couple of weather makers at us as we go through the late week. Thursday, we get a round of mixed precipitation and snow late in the day. That's when it begins. That'll impact the nighttime travel overnight into Friday. And then a second wave makes its way through from that same low pressure system, and it's essentially going to bring a significant batch of snow. So here's the first wave Thursday. That will give our northern counties the best chance at some accumulation. This will be colder, fluffier snow with wetter snow and mix down to the south. And then we'll get a little bit of a break as main low moves through. The northern counties will quiet down, but there will be some wind and some heavy bands of snow. Mainly our southern and southeastern counties will have impacts going through Friday and into Saturday morning. So travel south of Fargo and south or east of Fargo will be impacted as we close the work week and head into the weekend. You saw that little Sunday dash of snow, but here's the next main Colorado low. Look how big this one is. Snow could spread across most of the northern and even central plains. Wind with this storm system, and it's a two-dayer, Tuesday and Wednesday. Notice it's still going pretty good on Wednesday. That one we'll keep our eyes on. Here's what you need to know. Thursday, light snow, powdery, fluffy, fly around flakes. Not a lot, but enough. Some areas of icing possible down south. Then by Friday, that main band moves through. The main event could produce 4 more inches along portions of I-29 and I-94 south and southeast of Fargo. First alert weather days, as discussed, Thursday and Friday. A little break. Sunday, our northern counties could see more measurable snow. Next week, Tuesday and Wednesday, first alert weather days. Friday, a little bit of a reprieve. I want you to take note of that 39 on Sunday. That is a chance at getting over 40. I do not think it happens, but we'll keep you posted as that string likely will continue.
All right, thanks, Hutch.
Yep.